YouTube, this is the Velvet Locks with a wonderful beauty video. What I'm going to do today is make a skin lightening concoction. What this is going to do is going to lift those dark circles, those dark spots. It's going to give you that nice youthful tightening in your skin. It's going to reverse the time and the look of your skin. We're talking about anti-aging properties in this wonderful skincare concoction. It's going to make you look young. Alright? Now today's ingredient, we'll be using a white potato. Potatoes contain vitamin A, C, and B, which helps to reduce premature aging on your face and also avoid wrinkles and pigmentations that develop as the skin ages. Raw potatoes work well in lightening scars and acne spots. Potatoes are natural anti-aging agents and is also considered one of the best in treating skin problems. Okay, there's wonderful benefits from this white potato, and I'll be listing it all on the side of the video. Now in this little bottle right here is some aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera contains antioxidants, enzymes, vitamins A and C, and is highly anti-inflammatory. It can help treat burns, acne, and dry skin, and is used to effectively heal chronic skin problems such as psoriasis, acne, and eczema. And what I did was I blended it up and I put it in my bottle and kept it in my refrigerator. So this is aloe vera leaf. You're also going to need some rice flour. Rice flour makes a good exfoliant agent as it gently scrubs away dead and flaky skin to reveal younger looking and even toned skin. Rice flour is wonderful for lightening your skin, alright, lightening those dark spots as well as evening out the skin tone. Alright, so we're going to start by washing and peeling our potato skin. So we're back and I finished skinning the potato. There's two ways that you can actually get the juice of the potato. You can either use your blender and blend it down into a nice paste, then strain it, or you're going to use your juicer, which is what we're going to use today, to really get a full extraction of all of the water content of the potatoes. So before putting it in your blender or your juicer, what you're going to do is cut your potatoes into small pieces just to make it easier to mash into the blades, okay? That was a little over a half a potato, and from that I've gotten a half a cup of juice. Alright, which is wonderful because you're getting the complete amount of water juice from the potatoes when you juice it instead of blending it. Okay, now what you can also do is, if you're going to do this mask more than twice a week, it's best you freeze the rest of your juice until needed. So I'm just going to add in 2 teaspoons of my potato juice. Now as far as the aloe vera juice, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of the aloe vera juice. And you're going to mix this really good. And lastly, we're going to put 2 teaspoons of our rice flour. Now if it comes out too loose, you add some more rice flour in it. You know, if it's too thick, you can add some more aloe vera juice. But this is perfect. So you're going to use 2 teaspoons of each ingredient. Mix it nice and well. And like I said, if the consistency is too thin, you can just add as you need, just a little bit of rice flour to thicken it up. Now let's go to the bathroom where we're going to apply this on our face. So now what we're going to do is we're going to apply this to freshly washed skin. So always make sure that your skin is clean before applying any type of mask on it. And you're just going to put this all over your face. And this is so nice, like the rice flour has a nice little grid to it. So even if you were to use this as a scrub and then leave it on your face, is also another way you can use this. But it feels really nice. And avoid the under eye area. Also, apply it under your neck as well. And like I said, that rice flour gives it a really nice scrub feeling to it. So you can actually use this to exfoliate your skin as well. Now what I'm going to do is probably use this again later tonight, so that before I go to bed I do a nice little mask without scrubbing. I will just put it on my face. But I wouldn't recommend you use this as a scrub every single day. Maybe 2 times a week if need be. Mainly it is just to apply on your skin and let it sit. So I'm gonna let this sit until it's dry, and then I'll wash it off. Alright you guys, so I finished applying it onto my face and it really feels nice and soothing. It's cool feeling. Alright, so the rest of this I'm just going to cover it with some plastic wrap, store it in my refrigerator and for later, okay? And then the rest of the potato juice I'll probably put it in the freezer until I need it again. Let me show you how I store the rest of my potato juice for further use. So I'm just going to store the rest of my mask in the refrigerator for later use, okay? But what you can do with your potato juice is you can get an ice tray, which is wonderful, okay? And you could either measure it out yourself or pour it inside. So as you can see, the potatoes are starting to turn a color, so they will not last in your refrigerator. So in order to keep the juice for your later recipes, it's best you just freeze it. Alright, there you go. And just pop that in your freezer. Easy. Alright you guys, so I am back, and what I can say, my final thoughts of this mask is it is really tightening. It is snatching my skin. You heard? It is really like tight. It's good for your pores. It's cleaning, it's cleansing my pores. It's firming my skin. You know, it feels really good and tight. So I really suggest doing this at least twice a week if possible, for that nice effect. If you can't do it like 3 times a week, do it at least twice a week. But this is really good for firming of your skin, for the tightening of your skin, for giving it that youthful look, getting rid of the appearance of wrinkles, as well as clearing your skin, evening out your skin tone, okay? Getting rid of those acne scars, those uneven pigmentations in your skin. This is going to do it for you, okay? So let me rinse this off. And yeah, whew, I tell you, that is really a good thing to do. Honestly, my skin feels wonderful. Now to remove that, your best bet is to just moisturize your skin with lots of warm water at first. You know, get it nice and wet and loose. And then as you're putting the warm water on, you have to use circular motions to get it to start moving, all right? But after you rinse it off, it's always good to seal your skin with cold water just to shrink back your pores. But it feels really, really good. My skin is glowing. It is feeling wonderful. All right? So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful beauty skincare. Give myself some love and give my skin that wonderful anti-aging look, okay? That's going to reverse the time of aging. And it gives you that wonderful glowing skin. You're going to also see the wrinkles, the harsh lines start to, you know, fade a little bit in your skin. It's going to tighten your skin and it's going to even out the skin complexion. Alright, so this is a wonderful natural way for you to lighten your skin without going out there and buying those harsh whitening agents. This is natural. Alright, so thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. If you liked this video and want to see more of it, give me the thumbs up, you guys. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell at the bottom, so this way you will always be informed when I am uploading another wonderful beauty care video, detox video. Keep them notification bells lit, alright? And thank you again for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.